Welcome to ABLG TV, quick resources for busy parents and professionals. In this video, we're going to talk about collaborating with your home therapy team. ABLG TV is brought to you by Above and Beyond Learning Group. We're a therapeutic intervention agency located in New Jersey, and we specialize in ABA and speech therapy for learners with autism and related developmental disorders. So you have an ABA home program for your child with autism spectrum disorder, and it might feel like a revolving door of people coming and going in your home. Here's a few tips on getting the most out of your ABA home program and the resources, that is your staff, at your fingertips. We're going to cover strategies for getting the most out of your home program, how to work collaboratively with your provider, and I'm going to give you a powerful piece of information that you'll definitely want to have. Our first tip is speak up. Don't be afraid to speak up. After all, you are the expert in your child's past, and you are the biggest resource we have when learning about what's worked and what hasn't in the past. We definitely don't want to reinvent the wheel, wasting your time and your child's time. So tell us everything we need to know about what's worked and what hasn't. Help us reinforce your child. Reserve a few of your child's favorite things for the therapy sessions. If you want to seriously amplify the effectiveness of therapy, reserve some highly preferred activities, edibles, toys, sensory activities, and anything else that you can think of. This creates a really motivating therapy environment. It also helps your child come to view the therapists as the gateway to all good things. It helps the child view therapy as fun rather than work or a chore. Get down and dirty. When it's a good time in the session, volunteer to jump into the session and learn how the therapists are working with your child so that you can replicate those results. Along the same lines, generalize, generalize, generalize. One secondary characteristic of autism spectrum disorder is an inability to take information and apply it to new environments, instructors, people, items, and so forth. The best way to overcome failure to generalize is to encourage your child to use the new skills he or she is learning everywhere you go. Your team can help you come up with a plan for generalization. At ABLG, we make this critical therapeutic component a priority. Please give us the benefit of the doubt. We are aware that some of these treatment procedures can be downright impossible to do and crazy-making. We've done them ourselves, and we know that they can be absolutely impossible, or at least feel that way. And we know you have a life, other children, jobs, and other things to do besides delivering a reinforcer every 30 seconds. We will do our best to design treatment plans that fit into your life, if you agree to give them a fighting chance. The only reason we'd recommend this crazy stuff is because we've seen it work, and our goal is to help you create meaningful change in your family's life. This is the big important document that often causes the most area of breakdown between families and providers. And that's the Guidelines for Responsible Conduct. You can find these at our governing board's website at www.bacb.com. Take a moment to read our code of ethics. We swear that we are not trying to be difficult. We're bound by a code of ethics in our profession, just like doctors and healthcare practitioners. They're in place to help keep everyone safe. If we can't do something you ask us to do, please know that these ethics that we are referring to are a real thing. And if everybody's on the same page with ethics, it can prevent uncomfortable or tense situations, as well as breakdowns in communication. Now parents, it's your turn. What do you want your ABA and speech providers to know about working with your family? Please leave us a comment below. We hope you find this startup information helpful. For more tips and resources, check out our extensive learning center and article library at www.ablg.org. You can also find us on many social media platforms, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn, where we curate the hottest tips and current events for the autism community. Thanks for watching ABLG TV, and be sure to check back weekly for new episodes, and find us at www.ablg.org.